that in France, people are not really supposed to work on Sundays, and that means that shops, restaurants, cinemas, everything you can do is supposed to be closed. So today we're gonna check if it's true or not and what you can do if you're traveling during one of these days. Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French tutor, so you can learn French the French way, and today we are in Nantes, a city in the northwest of France. So we're gonna check together if shops, restaurants and all places like that, they truly are closed on Sunday. And from what we can see in the background, it seems that the truth lies somewhere else. Alors t'es prêt? On y va! Unlike other countries in Europe, it is true that on Sundays, French shops, so when I say shop, it can be also malls, it can be like supermarkets, all that, they're supposed to be closed. The reason is that in France, we're not really supposed to work on Sundays. And that, woo, a lot of people here. And that comes from a Catholic tradition of going to church on Sunday because, you know, God rested on Sunday or something like that. Don't ask me. But that's where it comes from. So you're supposed to spend time with your family, your loved ones, and enjoy a good meal. But let's take a step away from tradition. It is also by law, and it ensures that employees have a day of rest. The only exception to that, and I mean, you're in France, so you should guess it, is when the shop sells food. So just like restaurants, supermarkets, etc. But employees, they're not forced to work on Sundays. They can just refuse, and there won't be any issue for them. It's just their right. It is also a way to ensure fair competition between the big stores, the big malls, and small shops, most of the time run by a family, because they don't have the same financial means. So this way it ensures fair competition between the big ones, you know, Goliath, and the small David. First thing today, we go to the cinéma. Le cinéma en français, same word, but with a French accent. So it is open on Sunday, all day long. Well, we go in the morning because less people, but you never know. You can go in the afternoon, you can go even in the evening, that's fine. We already have our tickets, les billets de cinéma, so it's time to go. After that movie, it is time to eat because I am starving, and as you can see, or maybe I will show you a tiny bit later, most of the restaurants in that street are closed, but one is open, and I'm absolutely sure that a bit further away there will be restaurants open, so that's what we are going to see. And just if you're looking for an open restaurant on a Sunday, you're looking for restaurant ouvert. These are the words you will need. Okay, so we just passed by a supermarket. It is a small supermarket, but still, because I want to make a point. As you can see, it is completely closed. Know that in France, supermarkets can be open in the morning on Sundays, exceptionally, for example, during the holidays, the entire day, but they always specify it. And what you want to look for are les horaires d'ouverture. Here, I'm glad it's pretty big, we can see them, I can show you, but that's what you're looking for. So after a long day outside, it is time to relax, to chill, and as you could see, Sundays in France are quieter. They are meant to relax. It's really the purpose in French culture, but you saw that you can go outside, you can enjoy a nice restaurant. And if things are closed, though I would recommend you check beforehand, if things are closed, you can still walk around the city and discover new things. And if you hear French people using weird words are saying, it's probably because they are speaking with slang. And if you don't know slang, I recommend this video next. So you will talk like a native in no time. À la semaine prochaine. Salut!